Hi everyone, welcome to Rose's Reviews. Today I'm going to be doing something a little bit different and I'm going to be doing a hair tutorial. As you guys know, I usually dye my hair at home. It's expensive to go to the hair salon every single month. I do like to get my hair cut and trim, make sure there's no split ends so my hair can be healthy and it can be growing. So you want to take care of your hair, and I use specialty product because I dye my hair at home. I know that it can be very damaging, so I use shampoo to protect my hair. I also use some of the Sally Supply that enhances the color, so it's always bright, so it's always the color that I want. It doesn't fade away. So I like to take care of my hair. I am gonna go for a trim later this month. So for now, I just want to show you guys a little tutorial of what I like to do with my hair. Right now, I just have it, I haven't straightened it or anything. I just did the ends a little bit just to give it more of a, so they're not just straight up like that. But this is how my hair is natural, except like I said for the edges. This is the color that I have. But what I wanted to do is, usually I like to dress up and do like a pinup style. So what you want to do is, I part it here. Usually I part it there anyways, regardless of how I do my hair. It's naturally parts that way to begin with because it's so used to it. You know how hair is, it gets used to it. So there you guys have it. So what I like to do is, when I do pinup, I like to use some of the hairpins like these right here, like those. And I like to use some of the long ones. So let's see. Alright, so this is a little simple tutorial on how to do like a pinup style. It's not very complicated. I decided to keep it simple for the first time. And if you want volume for your hair, you can always use the Dry Shampoo. I love it. It gives me extreme volume. Make sure you mix it up. If not, you're going to be leaving white stuff all over your hair. Alright, so this is the finished look, something very simple to do, easy to achieve. I also wanted to introduce to you guys the Heartbreaker Gummies. These gummies are rich in folic acid, vitamin A, vitamin B, and it's soy free and gluten free, so you don't have to worry about those who are allergic. But I wanted to recommend these because they have great reviews online. I myself are given a month's supply, so I'm going to be trying it out and let you guys know how it went. My nails get damaged very quickly because I use the gel nail polish. So what that does, it kind of ruins your nail because I kind of scrape it off. I don't take it off the right way, soaking it and all that. I'm like, ugh, I'm just gonna peel it off, and that's what I do. So I damage them. So I'm hoping that this vitamins help me with my nails, with my hair, and with my skin. Of course, guys, you want to make sure that you drink plenty of water with anything. You know that helps and promotes healthy looking skin. So let's open it up and let's see what's in here. So it comes with the seal. I like that. Make sure it's protected and everything. Oh, and look at that. They're actually heart shaped. And not only are they cute to look at, see, they're hearts, but they taste amazing, and I will let you guys know how they taste in a moment. So let's see. It tastes like candy. I can do that. It says take 2, so I'm gonna take 2. And what I like about vitamins in general is that when they're chewy and they taste yummy like these ones do, they're easy to just eat. You're like, am I eating candy or am I eating vitamins? So it's really nice that they taste good because it makes me want to eat them all the time. But no, only 2 per day. Do not exceed that amount. And they are heart shaped and they are cute and they taste really good. So guys, why not try it out? When it's a vitamin that's in a gummy form and it tastes good, it's easy to just eat. And each gummy includes vitamin C, biotin, folic acid. So I mentioned those before. So at one point I was thinking, should I do prenatal vitamins with, but I'm like, no, because it has other benefits for pregnant women. I'm not pregnant, so I'm like, but sometimes I do get the urge to buy those because of you see the pregnant women that take them and their nails are really nice, their hair is really thick, but you don't want to deal with the other benefits because you don't have a baby. So I'm just like, oh, fine, I was searching for something, so I'm glad that I have these now that I can try, and I will post in a month how it went. If you guys want to get yourselves one, my discount code is Paradise, all in caps, and I will leave the code below if you miss hearing that. Also, I will post a follow-up video in a month after this can is empty and let you know how it went. Don't forget, also subscribe to my channel, Rosie's Reviews. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram, Rosie's Reviews Official, and I'll keep you updated on this. And hopefully I can, you know, I'll order some more because it'll be so good. So I will let you guys know what I think, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!